Back in 2006, where all over the world migratory birds were killed, being accused of spreading the deadly avian flu, and they became a symbol of disease and death. I was proud to host the first ever World Migratory Bird Day on the Great Rift Valley of Kenya, along the migratory routes. At that time, artists from all over the world came to celebrate the beauty and magic, the mystery and freedom of the migratory birds. On this very day, where far and wide we spread the message of the importance of preserving these bridges amongst continents, I'm proud to add my voice as the first ambassador for migratory species to the ones of my colleagues and friends, to children, to teachers, to conservationists across the globe. It is a time in which we have lost the link. Recently I received a message from a neighbor who asked me, where have the birds gone that used to travel to our lakes and watercourses? We have interrupted the routes. We have crossed the sky with wires. We have threatened them by polluting the watercourses where they come after their long journeys. We are killing the elephants, terrestrial migratory. We are polluting the oceans. We have to come to our senses before it is too late. At the time in which the world is divided, wars and many problems destroy peace in the planet. The migratory animals can be seen as ambassadors to peace. They don't know about politics, they don't know about religions, they don't know about the small short time scheme of man. They are symbol of the superiority of nature on the menial thing that destroy and pollute our own lives. I exhort the children, particularly today, and my friends and colleagues across the planet Earth, to look again up at the sky, at those amazing creatures flying over with endurance, with determination, guided by an ancient instinct stronger than we can explain, and re-establish the reverence and the respect, and to protect their habitat. All is connected.